Hey, how's everybody doing? Spike out here in the Frugal Fixing Shop. Hey, I've had a little CNC in here for a couple of years, and that's the one I use to cut out your little screens for the square golf and stuff. But it just wouldn't cut wood, and so I called my son up and I said, "Son, that extra machine you got, do you use it?" And he said, "No, talk you out of it." And so there it is. Now this is a 20-year-old machine that I'm gonna try to bring back to life. He hadn't had it running in 2 years, and I'm gonna try to bring it back. I stuck a router on it, got that part working. It runs on Windows XP, I think it is, and it's like 2006 on the program dates. And that's when the program was made, and that's when this thing came out, and the guy originally designed it. Now this is a Joe's CNC, and this is the original one. It's called the 2006, I believe.